And this is really the kicker, a North American marketing program is planned to start in 2021. Hi investors, this video is about the latest news on Idex stock, and also after that we're gonna have a look at the stock price to see if Idex is a buy or not. And you absolutely need to watch this video. It's very important if you are an investor or if you're thinking to buy Idex stock. And so let's dive straight into it. And this is the news that came out just a few hours ago. These are the two new e-motopeds that will land in the US, the T70 and the T90. And as Ideanomics says, the US will be one of the fastest growing markets for electric mopeds in the next 5 years. And so let's dive into this news and give you a bit more substance, if you know what I mean. Right, so this is another article, and again, it's about the e-scooters from Idex. And again, if you've been subscribed to this channel, you know all about Idex, but Trick is based in Malaysia, and these are the very first e-bikes coming from Idex for the North American market. And again, this article is really pumping Trick because one of the Trick shareholders is actually in the royal family of Malaysia, and so they have support from the government. And Trick also manufactures all the electric powered vehicles in Malaysia with an extensive relationships in both the private and public sector. So that's very wide and also very big. And so these are two mopeds. Why are we so exciting? Well, the gist of the video is about to come, so pay attention right now. This is the thing that really excites me the most. The company, meaning Trick, has got a battery as a service program being deployed in Thailand for two-wheelers, meaning mopeds, and will expand the pilot program to other countries. And this is really the kicker, a North American marketing program is planned to start in 2021. And so these are the two things that really get me excited. First of all, battery as a service for the US. And okay, it's not gonna be for cars as we were hoping for, or for the Medici motor trucks, which I'm really waiting for. And if you are subscribed and you are into Idex, fantastic. If not, get yourself on it. I make videos on Idex, and so that you're always up to date. And obviously, I will make a video on Medici motor. On the other hand, we are gonna get some sales of these mopeds right now in 2021 in the US. And that's exactly what this company needs. More revenues. The main engine of this company is actually Timius. We're gonna have a look at their revenues, at the overall balance sheet when it comes out. It should come out at some point today, so bear with me because I'm gonna make a video on Idex tomorrow. And what I want to do now is to actually dive deeper into these two new products that will be sold in the US market. So this is the Trick website, and let's have a look at these products. So they are made in Malaysia, as you know. They are technologically advanced. That is insane. Looking forward to it. I really want to try it. I wish I could because I don't live in the US. I obviously don't need any oils, chains, don't need maintenance. That is a bit, I don't agree with that, to be honest. They don't need petrol for certain and no hassle. What does it mean? Like you need to charge them up. But anyway, moving on, they seem to have a very good performance, so exhilarating performance. Okay, so these mopeds are very light, and so that means that the lighter, it means that you can potentially go faster. And the other thing is that because they are compared to the petrol-powered counterparts, so we're talking about mopeds, the old-fashioned ones. When I was young, I still remember like doing few wheelies, but basically each kilometer traveled on a Trick moped gets considerably less expensive thanks to their amazing, I don't know, performance and so on. Again, I would really like to see a performance test, but we'll see. And I'm gonna make a video update as soon as they go to the US and someone tries them, maybe in a circuit, and then sees if the performance is better or worse against petrol-powered mopeds. So we'll see about that. Stay tuned because it's happening on this channel. And the good thing is that they even have 3 types of batteries you can pick from, probably based on the capacity. Yeah, that's the capacity. And so the higher the capacity, the more expensive, but it's also based on the fact that you can go faster. That's what they say, that for example, this lithium battery is tuned for performance. And so I'm not sure if you will be able to buy these 3 types of batteries, but definitely something to look out for. And so these are the 2 first models that are coming. They also have another 2 models, which I don't find quite interesting. I understand why they don't plan to sell them in the US. So this is one of them, and it looks like something that Agro, another company I've reviewed in the past, would make. Like this one looks Aero all the way. Actually, it's probably Aero. But anyway, and these are other models. Well, not sure if I would like to drive it, but maybe would sell, who knows. And this is another one with the basket and this thing behind. It's just a bit weird. I'm not sure. Maybe it's good, who knows. Maybe it sells like hotcakes, who knows. But yeah, at the moment, not really interested. And so the next thing we're gonna look at are if Idex is a buy now or not. Let's have a look at the indicators and chart. Right, the first thing that I wanted to show you is the Idex short interest, and as you can see is 20%. That is quite high because normally Tesla is around, and I'm gonna actually have a look for you because I know you might not believe me. It's around 30%. So let's have a look. 27% for Tesla, and instead now Idex is 20%, so that means that Idex is very heavily shorted, which is probably reflected on the chart, which we're gonna have a look now. So this is the chart, and as you know, and at the time of recording, Idex is actually down, looking quite red. It bounced off around the 247 mark, and then it's going up, but obviously not like a rocket, but it's like one day is up, the other day is down, the other way is up, and so on. And now it just bounced off to the downside, unfortunately, on the 20 moving average. I'm pretty sure that if tomorrow the earnings will be good, we are gonna break above the 20 moving average and possibly go even higher, probably even way higher, maybe go back to all-time high. Not in one day, but it will happen. And so the bottom line is that Idex is a bit of a speculative play right now. The point being that the company is not profitable yet, and they're just finding their feet in terms of revenues. So if you buy now, and to be honest, I am a shareholder. That's what I wanted to tell you straight away. But if you buy now, is to hold for the long run. Like we're talking about another 4 years before we possibly become profitable. And so that's what I would do if I were you. Not financial advice, but then the best thing is to always dollar cost average and to hold for the long run. And that's what I'm doing as well. And by the way, if you want to know when I buy and sell my stocks, just join the free Discord group, and it's the first link in the description below. And yes, it is totally free, and you see my portfolio, my buy and sells, and it's all there for you. And we have a very nice community as well to chat about stocks. And if you're looking for another speculative play, how about Riot? The video on the screen right now is a deep dive on Riot stock, a Bitcoin miner. So click on the video.